Welcome to PremiumSelectSupplies.com. Our latest video is on the new Benchmade 710 folding knife. The part number is, as you guessed it, 710FE-24. Benchmade is celebrating the 25th anniversary of the axis lock technology. The 710 features a lightweight 6061 T6 aluminum handle with a gray anodized finish. The Recurve Drop-point blade is made of CPM-S90V Super Premium stainless steel with a PVD finish. The blade length is 4 inches long. The open length is almost 9 inches. And when it's closed, it's almost 5 inches. And it weighs just under 5 ounces. Please see the description below for pricing, other details, and a link to the listing. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to be alerted to new products, sales, how-to videos, and discount codes. Make sure to like this video because that really helps us out a lot, and share with your friends and family. Thank you for watching PremiumSelectSupplies.com.